Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. As you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want we can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button, but let's be honest, if in your case this list is really long, then removing it manually is not really the most efficient way. So let's simply tap on clear browsing data, because here we've got some automatic options. We can remove browsing history, cookies, site data, cached images and files, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. You can change the time range, last 15 minutes, 24 hours, or for weeks or even all time. Just make sure that the thing you want to remove is marked, and then tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.